One plant after another has abandoned Detroit.
First time we ever made $1,000 in one day.
227, Blockway.
And other crimes of violence also. Detroit is among the statistics.
Tapped in like a touchscreen, black beans but the guts green. Half brick of that Justine off a crack, still call it Finker Lab. Where them young niggas got a couple hot jingles in they pocket and they keep it mad. Street dreaming, need a Lamborghini, used to dream of genie, now I dream of cash. Name whole weight in the streets, everywhere I'm at I don't need a pass. 700, that's an easy boost, 350 stashed in Adidas bag. Had to find a whole nother route, mapping out a whole nother town, slapping off a whole nother line, trapping on my whole mother house. See niggas out in public, they crew look like a boy band. I caught my first 300 grits from my little sister boyfriend. Invested in myself, them thousands just gon' bring me more bands. Back on my way to Syracuse to holler at the Orange Man. Cause in my line of work, gotta know when to sever ties. He killed my older cousin Rick, so me and his beef never died. That steel drum on the skate, it hold a 7.5. Purple Grady told me let it ride, but shit I'd rather slide. Cold game in these streets, kept it by my side. Now I cross my T's and I dot my I's. Catch 'em for long range, let that chopper ride. When them doors swing, that's a giant slide. Nigga reaching for my chain, must be trying to die. Now they snitching on James to the homicide. Let that pole bang, wipe the tears from his mama eyes. And kill his whole gang, that's a giant slide.
They traveled in packs and they
Giant
hunted
slide.
on the streets of Detroit from a very early
Giant
age.
slide. Giant slide. Picture drums outside was my 9 to 5. I wake a sleeping giant up and chop him down the side. Sweep your street then mop it up, won't make it out alive. Big drum on my 4-5, that's a giant slide. Concrete your Bodie James, Yola gang, Bonnie Clyde. Wanted about a homicide. Only time my mama lied when cops asked. When she last saw me, off her out of drag. Last night somebody said they caught me hopping out the ride. Slide down on the op, pop his top, drop his gas. Cutting up with that chainsaw, we did the cha-cha slide. Same niggas chasing clout who still think pocket lie. Don't get no fuck about no thought, you are not the brag. Got straight drop in that top for the 95. Getting high while I ride down the I-95. Now we out in Memphis 10, future looking bleak. It took a week, but when they caught up with him, he got put to sleep. Cold game in these streets, kept it by my side. Now I cross my T's and I dot my I's. Catch 'em for long range, let that chopper ride. When them doors swing, that's a giant slide. Nigga reaching for my chain, must be trying to die. Now they snitching on James to the homicide. Let that pole bang, wipe the tears from his mama eyes. And kill his whole gang, that's a giant slide. Giant slide. Giant slide. Giant slide.
It ain't even that I really want to like get out of here, but it's just romantic because it's. I don't know how to put it in words, bro. I've been so close to it forever. You know, it's like hello darkness, my old friend. That's sweet. You know, it's like it's my old friend. Darkness is my old friend. So yeah, but like that line, nigga, under the pure moonlight, niggas never dance with the devil. People don't do that. They don't dance. They don't know nothing about.
State troopers behind you while you slam on the pedal.
Bro, that's the line that bothered me. What I was talking to you about. That bothered me for 2 weeks. I was bothered by that line for 2 weeks, dog. That shit bothered me. I was living with that shit in the shower, like, what did he mean by that?